afternoon. Myself Nilesh Punde. I'm calling from Max Power Solar Private Limited. We have the specialized solar products. This solar exhibition, Maha Solar Exhibition, and experience over here was very good. Being a B2B exhibition, a lot of dealers and resellers, distributors have visited our stalls. A lot of manufacturers have also come, and we are happy with the response that we got over here. We have some special unique products with us. The solar sunflower solar tree that is kept outside, which is a live product. Okay, which has got two models. One is 750 watt, another is 3.5 kilowatt. At very good price point, which has got a inbuilt lithium battery inbuilt, and it is useful for rural areas, corporate gardens, public gardens, etc. Then we have this foldable solar panel. This is a 60 watt solar foldable panel. You can put it in 3 folds. You can take the power from here. We have different sizes and shapes of the solar panels. You can use this leaf shape, circular shape, straight. You have this semi-flexible solar panel, and which can be rotated into this angle, okay, which is very thin. Can be used for your rickshaw tops, for e-rickshaws. Okay, can be used for special purpose applications where you don't have to fear about the vibrations, breakages of the panels and all those things. It's very, very lightweight compared to 22 kg weight of 400 watt panel. We can make a semi-flexible panel in just 2.5 kg. So that is the advantage of the semi-flexible solar panel. This is not a replacement for the glass panel, but yes, wherever there is a requirement for this type of applications, we can use the semi-flexible solar panels. Okay, thank you.